What's up, guys? Random Panda Face here with another Loot Crate unboxing, and it is for February. Yes, had to remember what month it was because I'm like running on an hour of sleep right now. So fun because I never sleep. So let us check what is in this month's Loot Crate. Fun, 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 fun. Ooh, pretty. Alright, so let's see. Let's see what this shirt is. Ooh, it's a Black Panther shirt. That's so pretty. I really like that. It's Black Panther. Because, you know, Black Panther is awesome. And then, let's see, next thing in this Loot Crate. We got a ship figure thingy from The Expanse. That's pretty cool. And then that's how it looks and all that. I have to figure out where to put that. Maybe up there. Maybe up above my computer. I don't know. I'll set that here. Let's see. Looks like we have a coaster set of Pacific Rim. Those are really cool. Even though I don't really use coasters because my drinks are usually never that cold to use coasters. But these are nice though. They look really cool. Look at some coasters. Next we have, I can get it out. So it's like a, it's like, got a Fallout poster, and it's like, save on the Fallout Loot Crate, which I want because Fallout. So that's cool. Got an awesome Fallout poster to figure out where to hang up. I don't really know where to hang that up in my room, but somewhere. Cause yeah, this month's theme was Protect, but I love this pin because it's Toothless. I love Toothless. He's so adorable. I really like this. I need to put this like on a bag or something because Toothless. He's so cute. Then yeah, that's it. Then it's just the thing that's like Black Panther shirt, the ship replica, Pacific Rim coasters, Fallout print, and How to Train Your Dragon pin. Ooh. So yeah, Protect. And then it just looks like a safe. So I think my favorite thing from this Loot Crate would probably be Black Panther shirt because yes. But yeah, so that was this month's Loot Crate. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and shit because I don't know, I'm tired. So I guess I will see you guys in the next video for next month. So that should be fun. So bye.